Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by picking the photos you want to tell a story with. Choose vertical or plan to crop to 9:16 so nothing important is cut off. Once done, open TikTok and tap the plus sign to create a post, then hit Upload and switch to the Photos tab. Select the first batch, 3 to 15 images works best, and press Next. Make sure your files are high enough resolution so TikTok can keep them sharp when scaled. Now you edit. You set each photo's duration, try 1 to 5 seconds depending on pace, and add motion with the pan/zoom or Ken Burns effect to create energy. Then, use transitions between images for smoother flow, and adjust timing to match your chosen audio beat so visuals land on key moments. Make sure to preview multiple times, tweak clip length and motion until the sequence reads like a single, continuous story rather than a slideshow of separate photos. Finish by adding the audio track and trimming it to the section that matches your photo rhythm. Then write captions, pick a cover frame, and add relevant hashtags. Before posting, ensure Upload HD is enabled in settings or export a 1080p file and upload to preserve quality. If photos appear cropped or pixelated, try re-exporting at higher resolution or change crop to full screen. That single troubleshooting step fixes most display problems and keeps your video.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.